Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my SC430 Lexus. This is a 2005 SC. The issue is with the left speaker, 6x9 door speaker. Pretty much this car has two 6x9 speakers, left and right doors. They are vibrating. There is a tear within the speaker, so we're gonna remove the speakers and repair them. Original speakers are pretty pricey. If you want to purchase them, it's going to cost you brand new $600 from the dealership. But for $25, I purchased a repair kit. We're going to get on and show you how to do this. I have never done this, so I'm gonna try to get everything taken off the door, especially the door panel, take the speaker out, show you what I purchased and the tools that I'm working today. So here are the tools. These are, plastic pieces that you can use for removing door panels or dashboard or whatever you have inside the car without damaging anything, hopefully. And also this is the speaker kit that I purchased. So these rings around the speaker will be replaced. And there's a glue, brush. The kit is like around $25. I purchased it from eBay. And we'll hopefully show you the part number. But you can just, put in the search box for, speaker repair kit for SC430 or Lexus, and it will come up. Anyhow, so as far as the door, I will show you the steps, where the screws are, what to do to remove the panel. So we have, I believe we have around 10 speakers, 10 screws and 2 push pins, or maybe 8 screws, 2 push pins. So the push pins are located right there. See put some light in here. These are the push pins. You got to push the inner circle for the outer circle to pop out. So we have 2 right there, and then we have a bunch of screws that we need to take out all around at the bottom. Coming down here, kind of have to look for them, but yep, you see these Phillips screws? There it is. There is 1, 2, I believe there's 3 right under the light, and of course we have this big one right here. We have another one right there. We have one inside the panel. It's right there. And other pieces that needs to be removed. Definitely this cover has to come out. The trick is you have to start from this end. There is a pin that you have to push in, I believe, to release this cover out. Also, there's a speaker. There's a screw. I keep saying speaker. There's a screw behind this plastic cover. So this plastic cover has to come out, kind of release it from this side. Maybe 1 or 2 screws back here. Last but not least, this speaker cover has to come out. There are no screws, so you just kind of push it out. And once you do that, the door panel, the trick, I believe, is you lift it out from the bottom, kind of wiggle it, you push it out a little bit and push it up. Again, the trick is you have to wiggle from the bottom, push it out a little bit, and then push it up so you can take the whole thing off. Of course, you have to disassemble or disconnect the cables for the window controllers and maybe the speaker cable up there. I will show you, and also the light bat down here. And I also have purchased projection lights for the door that glow this Lexus logo at the to the floor. And I also will show you how to replace them. Very simple to replace. And that's pretty much it. Let's get started and hopefully get this panel out and see what's going on and take the speaker out. I want to put the camera down and show you guys what I'm going to do. All right, let's get ready to get this piece out. Okay, the pin that I was talking about is actually here. You see, guys, there is that pin that needs to be released. Oh, sorry. You see this metal piece down there? Has to be pushed in for this to come out. So I just didn't want to push it out before showing you guys what needs to be done. Let me zoom in on there. That's the pin that I was talking about. You got to push that in. All right, I'm putting the camera down and hopefully getting that released. This is that pin that holds this piece. I believe the rest is just, there we go, just kind of comes out, you know, slowly take it out. Be gentle with this. Okay, so you gotta release this the cable here. All right, I'm trying to pull this out so I can see. Okay. So, as you can see, that's the piece that needs to get released. There is a little lock right there. Push it up. I'm going to try it and hopefully it will release this cable. Again, don't put too much force in it. There we go. That comes out. The lock that I was telling you about is this. It's a push pin. Oop, it's this piece. You gotta push this in to release this piece. Okay, so that's out. That's what it looks in there. There's really not much. I mean, if you want to deal with maybe windows or locks or whatever you have, then you have to use the, get all the way in. But that's not what we're doing today. All right, next piece that is kind of tricky. Again, I have never done this, so I hope I have a better camera angle. I'm going to put it here and get this piece out. Man, this doesn't want to come out. There we go. Wow. All right. Luckily it didn't break. Okay, there's a screw in there. Phillips. It needs to come out. Also next is the speaker. So the easiest way would be to do the hard work, opening up, taking the screws out. Much easier. So man, this was easy. Push pin in up on top, push it out. That got released. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna get a Phillips and a push pin release tool and show you how to do that stuff. Be right back. All right, so I have this tool right here, and the way it works is you push it in. Get you guys some light. You push this inner circle inside. There you go. This just pops out. You see? Easy, cool. Same as with this one. You push it in and pull it out. There we go. And we're gonna do the screws. All right. One. There's two. Here's the third one. Right under the light. All right, we're gonna do the rest of them. Okay. Let's move the camera. Forgot this one. And that's a big one. Okay. I also found this screw because it's not loose. So I'm gonna also, open up that screw right there. You can see that one, because for some reason it's very tight here. So I'm guessing that has something to do with it because there are no other screws here. So, all right. Yeah. All right. Nice. There we go. So, just repositioning the camera so I don't block it. As you can see, it's loose, and what I think needs to be done is man, it doesn't want to come up. Not sure if the window is on the way or what's going on, but okay, well, I tried taking the whole panel down or off, but it's kind of stuck up there. So the next step is I'm just gonna open it up from the bottom and just really, unscrew the speaker. It's accessible. I will show you guys what to do. Just gonna position the camera under the door and let's get the damn speaker out. All right, guys, here we have it. Here's the speaker. I just put something here to keep the cover open. Alrighty, let's do this. So there are pretty hefty screws here. You have anything on top? There are two here. Two down here, two up here. There's definitely one up here. Yeah, two here. So I'm trying to, it looks pretty good. I don't know why it's making, anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna go get the right tools and get this out. Okay, so here we go. It's a 10 millimeter. All right, I'm gonna take these bolts out and come back. To point out, there are a few glitches disconnecting the speaker, and that's this connector that needs to come off, or you need to plug it out from the speaker case. Let me show it to you guys where the pins are. It's a little bit difficult here. Let me move some stuff. Get the light in. Okay, so on this one, you gotta push this pin in to release it from the back of the speaker. And I will show you the back of the speaker is right here. I had a hard time getting that out because I wasn't sure what to press or what to push. So that's the trick. Otherwise, 4 screws, 4 big, 4 screws, and you get this out. Pretty nice case. Just trying to show you guys the case. And also I found out that my wire is disconnected. So I might have a good speaker, but anyhow, we're gonna repair it and fix it and put it back together and test it and see how everything goes. There's also another release or connection right there. Same process. You gotta push that side pin in to be able to release this side. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down, and that's pretty much what it looks inside. If you ever need to replace any other parts, I don't know, the lock mechanism, the door actuator, all that stuff. So all right, I'm gonna repair the speaker and show you guys what has been done.